In the case of Macbeth versus Scotland, case number 1606.
Counselor, are you ready to prove your case?
Yes, Your Honor. We are gathered here today to prove that the noble Macbeth was the mastermind behind the murder of Banquo, the Macduffs, and our Honorable King Duncan. I call to the stand my first witness, Macbeth.
Macbeth, please place your left hand on the Bible and your right hand up. Do you swear to tell the truth and only the truth? So help me God.
I swear.
Macbeth, where were you on the night of Duncan's murder?
I was in my chamber after I retired from supper.
And who were you with? Do you have anyone that can prove that you were there?
My wife, Lady Macbeth, was with me the whole time.
I see. And what were you two doing?
We were asleep when the deed was done.
When was the last time that you saw Duncan before he was murdered?
The last time I saw Duncan was at the feast.
And have you and Duncan had any sort of quarrels or fight that would lead you to, I don't know, have a motive to kill him?
We have never fought. He was a wonderful king who had a blameless rule. He was a great friend.
I call my second witness, Lady Macbeth, to the stand. Now, Lady Macbeth, where were you the night of Duncan's murder?
I was in my chamber with my lord, Macbeth.
All right. And what were you doing?
Why, we were sleeping, of course.
Okay. All right. So, when was the last time that you saw Duncan?
That night.
Mm-hmm. All right. And did you ever have any quarrels or problems with Duncan that would lead to any, bad feelings?
No, not at all. He was a great king.
No further questions.
Defense, do you have any questions for the witness?
Why, yes, I do. So, Lady Macbeth,
You say that you were with Macbeth on the night of Duncan's murder.
yes, he's my husband.
So, you and Duncan, I take it, were very good friends.
Well, of course.
Well, so you wouldn't have any reason at all to hurt him.
No, not at all.
Well, I think I've proven my point. No further questions. That defense attorney is like crazy.
You know what I heard? I heard that nobody wanted to represent Macbeth, so that's the best he could find.
Oh.
Defense, would you like to call up your next witness?
As a matter of fact, I would. I would like to bring up Duncan's son, Malcolm. So, Malcolm, is it true that you were crowned as the Prince of Cumberland on the same day that your father died?
Yes, but I don't see how that's significant.
How is it not significant? You would have such a motive to kill your father. You could be king of all of Scotland if you could just get rid of him.
But I wouldn't do that. I wouldn't kill my own father.
People have done it before. It's not like it's a new concept.
No, that's not true. I wouldn't do it.
So where were you the night of Duncan's murder?
Why, I was in Macbeth's castle with everyone else. Well, I was sleeping, but although me and Donalbain woke up at midnight to pray.
And can Donalbain confirm that?
Well, he would, but he's gone right now, and we don't know where he is or how to reach him.
So why should we trust your word?
Because I'm honorable. I wouldn't lie.
Then why did you flee?
I was afraid that whoever went to kill my father was going to kill me next, because my father never did anything wrong as king, so they must have wanted the throne.
Well, you obviously killed your father.
That's not true.
You fled?
No.
You have no witness to where you were that night.
That's not what happened.
And you were crowned the Prince of Cumberland the very same day. Therefore,
No.
you would have had a perfectly good motive to kill your father.
Oh. I didn't do it.
No further questions, Malcolm.
Defense, would you like to call the next witness?
Yes, as a matter of fact, I would like to call Fleance. Gotta stand. So, Fleance, Banquo is your father.
That is correct.
And what happened when you were with him that night?
Well, we had gone riding just before we were supposed to go to Macbeth's house for the feast, and we had stopped for a moment, and all of a sudden, outside of the woods, 3 random people came and started attacking me and my father, and I was lucky and got away, but my father was not as lucky.
I'm very sorry for your loss, Fleance.
Well, thank you.
But I do have one question. And that question is, why did you flee from the scene of your father's murder? If you were completely innocent, you had more than enough reason to kill him. You were alone, he's powerful, he's wealthy. That is more than enough motive to kill somebody.
Objection!
Your father.
Sustained. Counselor, get to the point.
No further questions.
So, Fleance, why did you flee after your father was murdered?
I didn't want to see my father die, let alone die myself.
Fair enough. So, you saw the murderers, correct?
Mhm.
Would you be able to identify them for us?
Yes.
Here I have a list of suspects for your father's murder. Would you be able to tell us which ones the 3 men were?
I think I can. There you go.
As I suspected, Fleance identified the 3 men who we arrested recently, whose swords match the wounds of Banquo.
Those are the men I led into Macbeth's house! Oh my god! Alright! Alright! Get out of here!
I would like to submit the murder weapon and the suspect list into evidence.
Sustained.
No further questions. I call my expert witness to the stand, the doctor. So, is it true that you witnessed Lady Macbeth sleepwalking?
It is true
And what did you find?
that she had obviously done something that had troubled her a lot.
And what did she say or do while she was sleepwalking?
Well, at first she started to scrub her hands continuously, saying that she needed to get some blood off of it, and that someone had a lot of blood and that she could smell it, and something about Banquo being in the ground. And
No! It was me!
order in the corner!
Everything!
Order in the corner!
Me! We did it! Everything was him!
Order in the corner!
Who's we? Who's we?
Me and Macbeth! We killed them all!
Who?
Order! The Macduff, Duncan, Banquo!
Order! Order! I find the defendants, Macbeth and Lady Macbeth, guilty of first-degree murder of Duncan, the Macduffs, and Banquo. Court adjourned. I'm very sorry for your loss, Fleance.
Well, thank you.
But my question is, why did you flee if you're innocent? It's because your name is Fleance.
Oh, goodness. Oh,
Yeah.
got you.
We'll pause it.
Bad
Okay,
joke,
I'm
man.
coming.
Wait, watch
I'm
Maria.
coming, Mom.
It should pop in.
I'm coming.
Oh, you just moved.
Why did you flee the scene of your pretend to pray of your father's?
What? Pretend to pray.
Jesus! Hallelujah!
Dear Lord.
Dear Lord!
Pause it!
What the? Oh my!
Me and Macduff.
Macduff.
Macbeth.
I'm out of here!
I'd like to submit.
Macy is perfect.
Just sit. I would like to submit. Just sit.
She fell!
Stop.
objection.
Objection!
In the case of Macbeth vs. Scotland, case number 1606. Macbeth, please place your right hand on the Bible. Do you swear to tell the whole truth and nothing but the truth, so help me God?
I don't know how to stop it.